Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out these Whiteleopard snow mittens, or winter gloves, whatever you want to call them. Wow, these are super soft. Oh, it's got this little tag thing. Okay. Okay, so inside, wow. Inside is this like fleece type material. These come in different colors, black, gray, light gray, bluish, and then a white. Those are super warm. They're like, you can see like the thickness here. It's like a thick, like a padding here. It's nice and insulated. And of course these are, I believe, like ambidextrous. So whichever way you want to put them on, they go on there. Nice and warm, like if you're at a ball game or outside, just need like your hands to be nice and cozy. Almost like little boxing gloves, like Hulk gloves. They're like super padded. So definitely some good air protection there too, as if it's cold outside or whatever you got walking out in the chilly temperature. These are definitely going to keep your hands and your wrist protected quite well from the elements there. So they go up probably a few inches up from the wrist there, and that allows you to, if you have a snow coat like this on, you can like cinch that down around there and just keep any air from getting up your sleeve. So these are super cozy. Already my hands are feeling a little bit warmer. It's a little chilly today, but very nice. I'm pretty impressed with these. Yeah, they're, like I said, they're super soft too. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.